our Chinese lesson. I'm Becky, Chinese teacher to foreigners, and I've written a few books and published on Amazon right now. So let's keep going our Chinese exercise practicing. In our previous two lessons, we already went through the sentence structures 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4. I just copy and copy here, right? 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4. We've went through these. We've done it in our previous lessons, right? Okay, so first, since we need some time to wait for more new students to join our lesson, so now let's do a revision first. Okay, so later after the revision, we are going to practice assignment 2, which is a mixture with these three structures. Okay, so now let's do the revision first. The revision, remember, we've done something about the first, like for chapter 1, let's just went through the let's just go through the last pattern: subject, specific time, method, location, verb, and object, which means if we have a few actions in a sentence, we should follow this order. Okay, so the method is about how, for example, to walk somewhere, or how do you do something. So that's what we call a method. And in Chinese, there are two types of time phrases. So you should be careful about that, which is, wait for a minute, which is specific time and the duration. What we need to pay attention is, as a specific time, like today, 2 o'clock, or something like this time point, they should be placed right after the subject, while a duration should be placed after the verb. So you can look at this example. Number 4, 我今天开车去公园走了2小时. In this sentence, specific time is 今天 today. And method, 开车 to drive a car. I mean, method means how to do something, right? And location is 去公园. One point you have to be careful about is, in the location, mostly you include 去 somewhere, or 在 somewhere, or 来 somewhere. Okay. And then the verb, and then the duration. So for the duration, there are a few different cases, which is, let's go to 2.2, section 2.2. So in this section, we can see the verb and the object are split up, while the duration is put between them. It's verb, duration, the object. So in this section, you have to be careful about a group of words which are called VO structure word, verb object structure word. Okay, so let's just go to the last example and check this pattern. 我们开车去商场买了半个小时的东西. So in this sentence, 我们 is the subject, we, and we don't have a specific time, right? And then we go to the method, which is 开车 to drive, and we go to the location, which is 去商场 to go to the mall, and then the verb, and then the duration, 半个小时 half an hour, a period, a duration should be should be here. And then object, 东西 means things. Okay. So then we go to another pattern with a duration, but slightly different. But it exists in Chinese language, which is section 2.3. You can see 2.3, the difference is we repeat the whole word. We first place the whole words, verb object, and then repeat. We repeat the verb part, right? And then the duration goes after the second verb. So it counts to 我们 subject, 昨晚 specific time, and then we don't have a method, no location. Then we say 唱歌 the complete words first. And then because 唱歌 to sing a song is a verb object structure word, so we repeat the verb. So 唱了 and then 5个小时. Okay, that's the section 2.3. And then in the next section, there is a special case. It's a negative pattern of the duration. So in this negative pattern, it refers to I haven't done something for a period of time. So in this case, the duration goes before the verb and the deny words, the negative words may, right? So subject, and then and then duration, and then may, and verb object le. So take this as an example. 我10个小时没睡觉了 means I didn't sleep in the past 10 hours. Means I haven't slept in the past 10 hours. So the whole process. Well, you can see number 4, 我没睡10个小时的觉. This seems like it follows the pattern 2.3, right? 2.2, right? But both of these two sentences are correct, but they mean different things. Number 3 means I haven't slept for 10 hours. I mean, in the past 10 hours, I didn't sleep at all. While in number 4, it means I didn't sleep for 10 hours. Probably I sleep for 8 hours or 7 hours or 12 hours or any other duration, but not 10 hours. So number 4, which is section 2. So if the duration comes here, may, verb, duration, you deny the duration is not 10 hours, maybe another period of time. While number 3, deny the complete action, which means I didn't do anything at all in that period of time. Okay, so that's a revision of these previous 3 patterns. Okay, so in this lesson, from now on, we are going to do some exercise based on these patterns. Okay, so now let's go to assignment 2. Okay, so this is from my book, The 10 Most Important Sentence Structures for Learning Mandarin Chinese. Now we are on page 45, assignment 2. Okay, now let's do it one by one. Okay, number 1. I spent 2 hours online at my friend's house in the morning. Okay, so before, when we practice these patterns, I told you, now we are practicing this one, now we are practicing this one, or now we are practicing this one. So you can exactly follow the order of these patterns. Now, in this assignment, first you have to judge which pattern you would like to follow, which pattern you should follow. And second, you can place all these words according to the order, okay? So I spent 2 hours online at my friend's house in the morning. Which pattern would you like to follow? Show me. Okay, type in the comment. Which pattern do you think we should follow for this sentence? Okay, I'll wait. You type first. You want to follow section 2.2, 2.3, or 2.4? Which one? Okay. Now, which one? You choose the structure first. You choose a structure first. Now you have to judge. Which structure would you like to follow? Okay, now let's do it. First, what I can tell you is we should follow section 2.2. 我早上2个小时上网 Vito 不对啊，不对。We follow this one 2.2. So do it one by one. So when we follow 2.2, we go one by one. What is the subject? Subject. Okay. Subject is, okay, I'll move a little bit. 不对 Go one by one. Vito, go one by one. Subject. 我 对吧? What is the specific time? Go specific time first. I mean, a specific time means the time point. The time point. What is the time point in this sentence? It's here. It's in the morning. Okay, yes. 早上，好的。我早上。对。好了。And then the method. Do we have a method in this sentence? Do we have a method? No. Yeah. And then, if no method, we go to the location. What is the location? The location is I'm my friend's house. No. I'm my friend's house. 在朋友家 Don't forget about 在啊，在朋友家 Okay, so up to now. 我早上在朋友家 Then we go to the verb. What is the verb? Okay, here we have to be careful about is 上网 to surf on the internet. 上 is the verb. Okay, it's a separable verb because it's a verb object. 上 is to surf, while 网 should comes here. 网 is the object. So 上网 should be placed in this order. Yeah, 上 is here, 网 is here. Then we have a duration in the middle. The duration is 2 hours. 2个小时。2个小时。 对，是的，是的。Okay, so now you can see the correct sentence is 我早上在朋友家上2个小时网。我早上在朋友家上2个小时网，明白吗？ Any question? Any question? Yeah, this is very important. You should exactly follow the Chinese order. Exactly follow the Chinese order. Don't use your English brain. 好了，没有问题。好，我们看下一个啊。下一个是 I didn't watch 2 hours of movie yesterday. So in this sentence, which sentence pattern we should follow? Which sentence pattern we should follow? Okay, so this one actually also follow section 2.2, this one. We add a may here. The may is precede the verb. That's enough. Okay? Just now we already said, I haven't done something for a period of time. I didn't do something at all. Then we follow this one. If I didn't do something, we use this one, but we just deny. We put a negative words here before the verb. 好了，那我们再来看看 one by one, okay? One by one. Subject, still 我。好了，然后 specific time, yesterday. 昨天，对啊，昨天。好了 ，Do we have a method? No. Do we have a location? No. 不看2个小时的戏，我没有说戏啊，戏是 drama, opera, it's opera, OK? 不是戏啊。OK, watch movie, watch, 看。看 watch is 看 and then movie should be here, right? Movie is the object. 电影不是戏啊，电影看。Oh, sorry. Just now I forgot a little words. 上了 Yeah, here should be a 了 and here also have a 了。看了 了 for past tense. And then the duration is 2 hours. Duration is 2 hours. Still 2个小时，对吧？Oh, sorry, it's I didn't, then no 了 instead 没。Okay, so 没 plus verb to show past negative, no le after it. This is the point you have to remember. May plus verb to show negative and no le after it. So the complete sentence became 我昨天没看2个小时电影。我昨天没看2个小时电影。OK， 有没有问题？有没有问题？有没有问题？好，这2个呢都是 section 2.2， 好吧 ？2.2。So if you still have questions, you can go back to this page 2.2, page 36 to check it. Okay? So the previous 2 sentences were based on this one, 2.2, on page 36 of this book, the 10 most important sentence structures for learning Mandarin Chinese. Okay? It's on Amazon. You search this book, you'll find it. Yeah, it's my book. Okay, now go to the third one. The third one. 好了，来，你们先看看啊。We spent a day surfing on the internet. First, George, which pattern would you like to follow? Okay, you do first. Which pattern would you like to follow? Still pattern section 2.2, right? Still this one. Still this one. Okay, now let's do it one by one. Let's do it one by one. 等一下啊。2.2, still 2.2. We spend. Do you know every word? Do you know every word? 好了，来，我们做啊，一个一个的来。好，先是 subject， 我们，对吧？我们，好了，我们，然后我们有没有 specific time？ 没有。有没有 method？ 没有。有没有 location？ 没有。有没有 verb？ 当然有。好 ，spend a day surfing on the internet。这里有一个问题。Do you realize there is a problem here? Not problem. I mean, it's a new case. Spent a day and surf on the internet. Okay, so this is what we said. The a day follows which word? The duration goes after the action it refers to, right? We mentioned it earlier here. 2.2. Remember this? This one and this one. Remember this? We said, why in sentence 3, 我们开了半小时车去商场 and while in sentence 4, 我们开车去商场买了半小时的东西 Why is not 开了半小时车去商场买了东西 Because in sentence 4, the half an hour refers to buying this action, while in sentence 3, the the half an hour refers to drive. So the duration goes after the action it refers to. So this is what we are doing in the assignment right now, okay? So now let's come back. 我们 okay, so first, there are actually two ways to say this sentence. One way is you follow this. You follow it. So you take 上 网 上 as the verb and 网 as the object. And then a day. So this is exactly follow this pattern. A day, 一天，一天，一天。Okay, a day. So from here we knew it's a past tense sentence. Past tense. So 我们上了一天网。我们上了 Okay, so 我们上了一天网。我们上了一天网。So this is one version. Another version is you can see from my sentence. This is correct, but I didn't translate the spent, which is unnecessary, okay? So we can also translate the spent. So then you have to translate every word. That will be 我们 Okay, so remember, we say when we have more than two actions in a Chinese sentence, we just simply placed one after the other. So action 1 is spent 1 day. Action 2 is surf on the internet. So spent a day. Spend 花 as the verb. 花了 past tense. Yeah, the same as flower means to spend. 花了 Okay, 花了什么 A day. A day refers to spend. So 我们花了一天。Okay, so this is the action 1. The whole phrase is action 1. Then we translate action 2. Surf the internet. Then action 2, the verb 上. And then 网. Okay, so 我们花了一天上网. So these two sentences both are correct. 我们上了一天网 or 我们花了一天上网 both are correct. Any question? Any question? 好了，有没有问题？有没有问题？有问题可以问啊，有问题可以问。有问题可以问。好，没有问题，那我们下一个好不好？下一个啊，来 We spent a day online at home yesterday. So compared to sentence 3, we have one more phrase. At home, right? At home. So 好了，现在你们要不要试一试？你们先做好不好？你们先做。你们怎么把这个 at home 放在这里面？你们放在哪里？ 你们放在哪里 ？At home 放在哪里？你们先来嘛，你们先来啊。你看一下你这个 at home 要放在哪里？我们已经做了这个句子了，对吧？我们已经做了第3个、第4个 ，just one more，one more，OK？、好，那我们现在来看啊，所以第4个 at home 它是一个 location， 对不对 ？location， 那 according to this pattern，location goes before the verb, so I just add 在家这里就好啦，对吧 ？Easy easy。我们，你看，我们在家上了一天网。我们在家上了一天网，对吧？好，那我们下一个喽，这个很容易的吧？很容易吧？对不对？好，然后我们下一个啊，第5个，I had 7 hours of lessons today. I had 7 hours of lessons today. Step 1. Hey, 你好。Step 1. Which pattern should we follow? Which pattern should we follow? I had 7 hours of lessons in the school today. Oh, sorry. Number 5 first. I had 7 hours of lessons today. 哪一个？可以是 section 2.2 section 2.3 两个都好，对不对？两个都可以啊，两个都可以，对，两个都可以，两个都可以。是的，两个都可以哈。那我们一起来做。我们做这个吧 ，section 2.2。好了，我们一个一个的来，一个一个的来，好吧？好 ，subject， 我们先来找一下，在这个句子里面 ，subject 是什么 ？In this sentence, the subject is I， 对不对 ？I 就是我。好 ，I 就是我。然后 specific time 是什么 ？specific time today 是吧 ？Today is a specific time。好了，我们来写一下啊。今天我今天，然后有没有 method？ 没有哎。有没有 location？ 没有哎。有没有 verb？ 有哎。verb 是 had lesson 对吧 ？had lesson， 中文怎么说 ？had lesson， 中文怎么说？中文怎么说 ？to have a lesson 啊？中文怎么说 ？to have a lesson。have a lesson 上课 attention 上课 is a verb object so 上 is the verb and 课 is the object 好了，那上课，上 is the verb, 课 is the object. Do we have a duration? Yes, 7 hours, 对吧？ 7 hours should be between 上 and 课 is a duration. So, had 这里有一个了，对吧？然后有 7 hours, 7个小时，7个小时。好 ，so 你可以看到这一个句子是这样的：我今天上了 for past tense 7个小时课，7个小时的课也对，只是我没有写，好吧 ？So 我今天上了7个小时课，好，有没有问题？没有问题的话，我们下一个啊，第六个。I had 7 hours of lessons in school today. So compared to sentence 5, we just have one more words in this sentence, right? Which is in school. In school, 在中文里 in school 是哪里？是一个 location, 对吧？ So we only add 在学校 here 在学校 OK so 我今天在学校上了7个小时课好了这个就是 the order of a sentence with a specific time and a duration. You should follow this order, okay? And what you need to pay close attention to is the phrases with a verb object. So in these six sentences, we have 上课、上网、看电影 so they are all verb object. Verb object. So we call them VO word. 上课 is a VO word. A VO word means when it doesn't come with a duration, they are together. So 上课 to have a lesson. But if there is a duration refers to this action, you have to split up 上 and 课 and insert the duration between them. Okay, so that is, we actually mostly practice section 2.2 today, right? Okay, now the next part is also a mixture one. A mixture one, we have to judge which pattern do we want to follow first. Then we exactly follow the order. So this sentence is about my life. So after this section, after this exercise, you can try to imitate and describe your daily life in Chinese, okay? So the first one, I got up at 8 a.m. this morning. So in this sentence, we have, what is the subject? I. Do we have a specific time? Yes. The specific time is 8 a.m. this morning. Do we have a method? No. Do we have a location? No. Do we have a duration? No. Do we have an object? Get up, verb. So in this sentence actually is quite easy. It only includes subject, specific time, and the verb. Let's do it. Okay? Let's do it. So first, subject. It's my daily life. You can also type in the comment to show me your daily life. Okay? So first, 我. Specific time, 8 a.m. this morning. Okay, so you have to pay attention. How do we list these words into a phrase? 8 a.m. and this morning. One tip you have to remember is, in Chinese, we always list from the biggest unit to the smallest one, which means this morning is bigger than 8 a.m. So this morning goes first, and then 8. This morning is 今早, 今早, or you can say 今天早上。死亡搁浅不对啊，我起床8点，早上不